Hey everyone, here at ShmooCon and pretty soon at SHOT Show, where I will also be. This will also be where I am at these upcoming events because, as you know, I have been working on a replacement for the Super Grip deadbolt sort of strap. I did actually finally confirm Melinda Moore, the lady who kind of created this and has been making it with her husband Ron. She did pass away in early February of 2023 at the age of 77, which is why they don't exist anymore in the supply channel, and we are here to fill that void. I've been telling people, I've been posting about if you come across me, I'll have these in my pocket. I've got some samples for people to try, and if you want to use it and install it in your room, because again, if this is flipped over, your door cannot be operable from the outside if someone with a key or anything, but someone comes up with an underdoor tool, hooks on it, egress rules, flip that over. So if you want to keep this flipped, let's do the mental math of how this would be installed. We're going to need Velcro coming up and hooking on this side. We're going to pull downward force from this side of the strap, right? Well, we need Velcro exposed over on this side. So how do we do that? Think about how you would wrap this around so that you're putting torque pressure on this side, but leaving Velcro exposed. So I'm going to put it around this way, get my little hook back here. So if I start wrapping this, tuck that in, and I come around, I've got Velcro facing out, and I've got downward pressure with Velcro facing out. Then just go right around the handle itself. You can use that to cinch against it, strap it down. No amount of force is going to unset that. But of course, someone texts you, hits you up on Signal, they say, hey, there's a bunch of free whiskey in the lobby. Get your ass down to LobbyCon. You just rip that off, and you're good to go. Safe and easy peasy. Come find me if you want to play with one. And yeah, I'm not selling them here. We'll sell them on the site that I don't ever name in my own videos. But yeah, if you want one for free or for the cost of a hug or a good story or a little glass of the creature, I got them in my pocket. I've also got a bunch of stickers in my pocket because I always travel with good hacker stickers. So yeah, come say hi. Come get free shit. I miss all of you. I love all of you. Stay safe out there or in here.